Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I'm going to just show you this cool stuff. It's called Montana Marble, and it comes in different colors. It is a kind of spray paint. This one's black. I have this canvas that I did with some leftover resin, and unfortunately it was already kind of partially cured, so the canvas is all lumpy. So it's going to actually be my little guinea pig for doing something cool with this, and my husband is going to demonstrate how it works. All right, go for it. So it's kind of like, what is it, silly string?
Yeah.
I go a little further and kind of go, whoosh. Yeah. Okay, good. So it's just a really cool effect. And as a mixed media artist, I see so much potential in this stuff. You can do it on just like a white base, and there's other colors like silver and stuff, so you could do those on a black base. But this can give you just this really cool, easy marbled effect. And then you could also just use it to make a funky art piece like this one. You would just want to put a clear coat over it. So that's literally it. Very simple, super fun stuff. I urge you to try it out. You can get it at art stores or online. Usually, probably not, maybe even Michael's. I don't know, I haven't looked, but I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys next time.